Notion Project Management Tool Review. Still good? Links to the product are added in the description. Notion has been one of the most talked about productivity and project management tools for years. But the question many users ask today is whether it still holds up with so many new competitors in the market. The short answer is yes, if you know who it's designed for and use it the right way. Notion remains one of the most flexible platforms available, letting you turn simple pages into full-scale project hubs, databases, wikis, and dashboards. Its biggest strength is how customizable it is. You can build task boards, calendars, timelines, knowledge bases, meeting notes, and entire team workspaces all in one place. It's a tool that adapts to your workflow instead of forcing you into a rigid structure. Notion's database system is also incredibly powerful, allowing you to link data across multiple pages, create custom views for tasks, filter and sort information, and design your own internal project management system from scratch. Because everything is interconnected, Notion is ideal for teams who want a centralized source of truth where docs, tasks, goals, and resources all live together. Collaboration is seamless. Real-time editing, comments, mentions, and shared workspaces make it easy for teams to stay aligned. Another major upgrade in recent years is Notion's performance and built-in AI. The platform is now faster, more stable, and easier to use than early versions. And its AI assistant can help summarize information, generate content, analyze tasks, and automate repetitive work. Notion is perfect for teams that value flexibility. Startups, content creators, marketing teams, small agencies, and anyone who needs both documentation and project tracking in one place. However, it's not ideal for everyone. If your team needs advanced project management features like complex dependencies, sprint boards, burn-down charts, workload management, or built-in reporting dashboards, Notion may feel too manual and customizable. It also requires a bit of setup. Notion gives you the building blocks, but you often need to design your workflow yourself. Despite those limitations, Notion is absolutely still a strong and relevant project management tool. Its flexibility, all-in-one workspace design, and rapidly improving feature set make it one of the most adaptable systems available today. If you want full control over how your work is organized, Notion remains one of the best choices on the market.